Dear students, yesterday I told you about the application of resonance. In that I told you about the acidic property of the carboxylic acid and phenol. In that I told you how we apply the resonance to decide the acidic property of carboxylic acid and phenol. In that lecture, I also told you that ortho-substituted benzoic acid is always more acidic than benzoic acid. I also told you about that the acidic property, that is acidic nature, directly proportional to Ka, that is acid dissociation constant, directly proportional to stability of conjugate base, directly proportional to minus I, minus M effect, and inversely proportional to pKa value. Now dear students, today I will focus next application of resonance. So again application of resonance. In this application I told you about the basicity, or you can say that basic strength. This is written in term of Kb, that is base dissociation constant. So how can you define the basicity? So basically it is tendency to accept H plus ion. Now how you write the value of Kb? So look at here, in aqueous solution, here aqueous means in water. Now what happens? Look the condition, RnH2. This is a base 1 degree amine. When dissolved in water like this, so look the conditions. Here water behave as acid because it is proton donor. According to Bronsted-Lowry base concept, this is acid because it gives the proton, and this is base because it is acceptor of proton donor, and this is proton acceptor. Now what happen here? R NH3 plus charge and OH minus. Now look the condition. This is cation, and basically this is conjugate acid of this base. Now here what we have to know that? So now dear students, stability of cation, that is conjugate acid, decide the basicity of the given amine, or you can say the given base. So now the basic strength is directly proportional to stability of conjugate acid, or you can say directly proportional to stability of cation, which are formed by accepting a proton from water. Now dear students, look at here, the basic strength can also be defined as tendency to donate electron pair. That is, the basic strength can also be defined as tendency to donate electron pair. is also known as basicity, is also known as basicity. Electron lone pair, donor and acceptor, this concept came from Lewis acid base concept. According to him, electron pair donor are known as base and electron pair acceptor are known as acid. Now dear students, some more point you have to note it down that basicity, just like acidity, it is also directly proportional to Kb. This is known as base dissociation constant, also directly proportional to pK, inversely proportional to pKb, directly proportional to plus I plus M effect, and inversely proportional to minus I minus M effect. So here you have to also think about the role of resonance, also the inductive effect, to decide the basic nature of the given compound. Now dear students, let us focus on the example how can decide the basic property of given compound. So now look the role of plus I and plus M effect on resonance. M is basically a group. Basically it is plus M, group can be attached. And one more example are taken of aniline where minus M group attached. So now look the conditions. Plus M donate electron, that's why electron density increases on nitrogen atom, and hence this increases basicity. Look at here, minus M withdraw the electron, so that's why the electron withdraw from here also, and hence electron density decreases, and that's why basicity decreases. So decreases basicity. So by this way you can also know that how will be decide the acidity or basicity. Now dear students, look the comparison. Plus M group increases the electron density on nitrogen atom. But minus M effect, minus M group, this I have told you which group is minus M and which group is plus M. So minus M group decreases the electron density on nitrogen atom. Now second point difference, more electron. So now more electrons are available, for donation. Here what happened? Less electrons are available for donation. Now third point, due to this what result happen? Basicity increases. Here what happens? Basicity decreases. So by this way you can know the application of resonance. Now dear students, Here I have taken some example to explain the role of resonance to increase the basicity or decrease the basicity. So look the example, CS3, CH, C double bond O and NS2, and one compound given like this. Out of these two, which are more basic, so you can decide by the resonance. So look at here. Now this lone pair move to this side. So here what happens? Lone pair delocalize, hence not available for donation. Therefore, less basic. But look at here. Here, lone pair localize, and due to plus I effect also increases more. So hence more basic. Hence more basic. So with the help of resonance, you can also find the availability of electrons. If electrons are available, that is electrons are localized, so it is more basic than in that condition where the electrons are delocalized. Now some more examples you can take in term of localization and also in term of delocalization. So one more questions you can solve with the help of resonance on the basic nature of the given compound. Look at here, NS2, this have one lone pair. Now CS3 and NS2, it is 1 degree amine, it is also 1 degree amine. This is known as aniline and this is known as methylamine. So now, students, look the conditions. Here electrons are delocalized due to conjugate system. So here lone pair of electron delocalized. Here lone pair of electron localized and also increases due to presence of plus I effect. So that's why this is more basic than aniline. So you can learn that aromatic amine is always less basic than aliphatic amine. Now some more points you noted down. Here also I want to told you the ortho effect. So look at here. Here again you have to focus about the ortho effect, just like ortho effect in ortho substituted benzoic acid. So look at here, ortho substituted aniline is less basic than aniline due to again steric hindrance and also due to electronic effect So by this way you can know that ortho substituted aniline are less basic than aniline. So look the example. One question given to you like this. NH2, this will contains NO2, then NH2, this will contain CH3 at ortho position, and one aniline given like this. So out of 3, which are more basic? So due to ortho effect, aniline is always more basic than out of 2. So this is first, second and third. So now third is more basic than first and second due to ortho effect. So this is more basic due to ortho effect. Now out of 2, that is first and second, you have to look after the minus M effect or plus M effect. So look at here, either you can also see the minus I or plus I effect. So this have minus I and minus M effect, but this have plus I and plus M effect. So that's why plus M and plus I are directly proportional to basic nature. So that's why it increases the electron density, and hence second is more basic than first. So by this way you can calculate the basic property of given organic compound. Now, dear students, some more compounds you have to know that. Now, basicity can also be defined as in term of electronegativity. Look the conditions. Kb, that is basicity, is inversely proportional to electronegativity and also inversely proportional to percentage S character. That is, more the percentage S character, less will be the basicity. Look the example. One question given to you like this. This is known as piperidine, and one is given a pyridine. One is given a pyridine. This is known as pyridine. So one question arises, out of both which are more basic? So look the condition. This nitrogen is sp3 hybridized, but this nitrogen is sp2 hybridized. So here what happens? 25% S character, but this have 33% S character approximate. Now one more thing, you have to note down that less the S character, less will be the electronegativity. So that's why this is more basic than this. So by this way you can also calculate the basic property of the given compound. Now, dear students, next some more example you have to note it down in term of localization and delocalization of lone pair. Look the condition again, pyridine, this is pyridine. One example taken pyrrole, this is pyrrole, and one example taken of aniline. Look at here. In all the 3 cases, N contains one lone pair. Look here. Here double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. So that's why this lone pair of electron localized, hence have more tendency to donate. Look at here, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, lone pair. This is in the conjugation. So this lone pair of electron completely delocalized in the ring. But here what happens? This lone pair is also delocalized. Here this lone pair of electron is delocalized. But here the complete delocalization takes place in the ring, but this is outside the ring. So that's why this is more basic than this. So out of 3, 1, 2 and 3. First is more basic because the lone pair of nitrogen atom are localized. Third is more basic. This is U2. Again delocalization but not complete delocalization in the ring. Here what happens? Lone pair completely delocalized in the ring. So that's why not available for donation, and hence pyrrole is less basic than aniline. So by this way you can calculate the acidic and basic property by using the resonance and inductive effect. This is also important in chapter 13. Now this time become chapter 12, that is amine. Now some more question regarding the aniline. About this you have to learn in amine chapter, how we will decide the basicity of anilines, that is aromatic amines, and also how we will decide the basicity of aliphatic amines. So look at here. Here one example is given like this: NH2. This para position contains NH3, CH3. Then again given like this: NH2. Here this contains NO2 and given ammonia and given CH3 NH2. Out of these, which are more basic? This is first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So now how will you decide the out of 5 which are more basic? So look at here. Here no minus I minus M effect attached to the benzene ring, okay, but electrons are basically delocalized. Now electrons are also here delocalized, but due to plus I and plus R effect the electron density increases. Now in this condition again electrons are delocalized like this, but this have minus I and minus R effect. So that's why this decrease more electron density and hence decreases the basic property. Now here ammonia, electrons, that is lone pair of electrons, localized. This also happen here, localized, but in this case due to plus I effect increases electron density and hence basic property, and hence basic nature या basic property increases. Out of 5 the strongest base is fifth. This is due to plus I effect and also due to delocalized electron which are available for donation. Then after ammonia, that is fourth case, and then out of 3 look the conditions. Here donation of electron take place, so that's why the second is more basic than third and 1. Now here no effect, but here minus I minus R effect, so that's why first is more basic than third. So by this way you can write the basicity order of the given compound. One more thing noted down, that aliphatic amines is always more basic than ammonia. Ammonia is more basic than aromatic amines. Thank you dear students for the basic nature.